Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to another market recap. That's how we did today. Performing on the SPY. We took one position in the AM session. Was a win. I went long here after I saw an SMT form at the AM lows, and it was around 10 o'clock, which is in line with that silver bullet time frame. I went long here around 10:15, and I'll explain my analysis a little further. Don't mind this order block. I don't play order blocks, but I saw it and I marked it out to see if price was going to respect it, and it did, so I just left it there. But anyways, coming into today, well, you check for news. No news, nothing crazy going on. Expect everything to be normal, right? What do you see pre-market? We get this London low marked out, London high marked out, and what do we get back here? This huge void, right? Which is the new week opening gap, since it is Monday. And that's all I had marked out going into the session, right? Just this. But as you can see later on in the session, price ended up sweeping these New York highs that we had from Friday's session last week, as well as I don't know if you guys remember when I was talking about this data high, how I was expecting it to get hit this Friday, but it never did, right? And look where price reached today. That data high. How convenient. Ended up respecting that level and went into Asia session. But anyways, let's go on and explain my position. So I woke up a little late, around 7 o'clock. So here's 7 o'clock, and this is what I see, right? And at this point, I'm waiting here. I'm waiting for price to take out this London low, but it didn't really move as aggressive as I would have wanted through this low to this London low, through this AM low to this London low. So I went on NASDAQ to see if we're forming any kind of SMTs, right? And what do we get? Sorry, let me take out these drawings. ES making, oh, forgive me, wrong one. ES making a lower low here, right? While NQ made a higher low. Yeah. So, or I always get them confused, but you know what the fuck I'm saying. Um, I'm pretty sure it's a higher low, but anyways, yeah, that is bullish SMT, right? So I saw that, and at this point, I'm like, okay, we could take a shot at it, considering that we had an AM low swept, SMT, and we're within the 10 o'clock or 10:11 time frame window for silver bullet. I entered here 10:15, the down close candle, had my stop at the low that I believe was the SMT, right? So if this was true, we should not go any lower than that. And it wasn't until we had this little expansion candle here that I decided to mark out this order block to see price would respect it. And look, price came down to the consequent encroachment of that order block, all right? And what do? Respect it all the way to NWOG, right? London high would have been my TP, but I did get out a little early. I got out around here. I secured 30 handles, and honestly, that was more than enough for me. Didn't want to be greedy, but right, what did price do? And then it ended up filling that NWOG that we wanted to see, which was the resting buy side. And yeah, respected NWOG a little bit, then went up for those data highs, and that was the delivery for PM session. So yeah, good read nonetheless. I can't complain. And SMT has always proven to be a very strong confluence. Excuse me. So whenever I see SMTs form, I do look out for it, but I'm not necessarily just playing off of that SMT, right? There was the 10 o'clock window, SMT, and it was at the AM low, so it was a kind of a liquidity sweeping away. But yeah, I did take a recording of me in my position, and I have the screenshots this time. And hopefully my editing software is not being sped, so I could go ahead and leave you guys the screenshot here and the video clips. So yeah, great day nonetheless. I can't complain. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. See you guys tomorrow if we take a trade. If I don't take a trade, then I'm not gonna post nothing, obviously. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like always, stay safe out there, stay disciplined, and I'll see you guys next time.